Good morning, guys. What's up, you guys? Go to phone. I'm just gonna be anything. So, right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work. So, I'll talk to you guys when I am done work. So, talk to you guys then. Guys, so right now, you guys, we are going to Kinsman Setup. I am just driving to the Kinsman Setup. I am just hanging out. We have a safety meeting, so it's gonna be fun and really exciting that we get to do like that. So I will talk to you guys when I'm done the meeting, safety meeting. Hey guys, so right now, guys, we are just heading back to work. So that is what's going on. Just heading back to work. It's gonna be fun and exciting. Yeah, today's a busy day today. It's crazy. So tomorrow should be a little bit laid back, but busy too. So much stuff going on, really, guys. It's crazy. So it's just time consuming. That's what's going on, you guys. So it's gonna be fun and exciting. Hopefully things go smoothly. Yeah, so that's what's going on, you guys. New couch, you guys. We having roast. We are having.
It's not just a roast; it's a pork roast.
Pork roast. We have some salad, kale salad, and we have potatoes. Are they good? Yeah, and today's video. I hope you guys show this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. Good night.